Now, it's very rare to have nice weather in Amsterdam, especially at the beginning of March. It's a nice 10 degrees Celsius, we've got a lovely sun shining as we speak, and today we're going to take out the new Shoei GT-AIR II for a road test, which obviously is a successor to the original Shoei GT-AIR. Now, where we're standing is currently in the centre of Amsterdam, in front of the skinny bridge, as they call it, the Magere Brug. And now a little fun fact about this bridge is that the sisters Mager, which is obviously the skinny sisters, lived at this side and at that side of the bridge, and apparently that is why they needed a bridge to see each other, which is very important for sisters to stay together, of course. Now let's take it out on the road and see what it does in practice. It seems that so far we're waiting for the local supermarket to empty their lorry. I suspect there'll be a rather large round of applause when this guy finishes and drives off. Now let's go!
Motorbiking. Motorbiking. Motorbiking.
Well, let's start off with one of the most important features, comfort. The helmet feels very comfortable. It's just, I don't know, what can I say? To be honest, I don't think it feels that much different than the GT-AIR I, the original GT-AIR. It feels good. It's the Shoei comfort we all expect and we all love. And with comfort also comes a little bit of weight. And this is the smallest shell size because I don't have such a massive head. And it weighs around 1460 grams, which is pretty light. It's not the lightest helmet in the world, but it feels good. And another part of comfort, of course, is sound as well. And we know that these days everyone likes to buy a helmet, you know, as quiet as possible, or as, you know, noise resistant as possible. And it does a good job, to be honest. I am wearing custom made earplugs, which, to be honest, everyone should. Because regardless of how quiet the helmet is supposed to be, or regardless of how quiet I say the helmet is, it's still too much for your bare ears. And if, like me, you're a big fan of music, it's very important to keep those ears in working order. As it is pretty windy, I am feeling a bit of wind coming in from the bottom. Not so much at the front because we have the curtain at the front. Definitely at the sides, a little bit at the back. Not much, not much. And I've got the sun visor down. Obviously, as you can see, it's not always as sunny. Easy to operate though, the sun visor. It's on the left side, as it should be, the clutch side. Identical operation as the GT-AIR I and the Neotech and the Neotech 1, but the sun visor has gotten a little bit bigger compared to the GT-AIR I, so that's nice. And something that's also happened is that the chin strap, the ratchet, which is the stainless steel ratchet, has been moved forward just a little bit. Often with the GT-AIR I, people would complain that it dug into the neck too much, and that's now been improved, which is very, very pleasant. The only thing digging into my neck is the microphone that I've got in the helmet. Now, I've been riding up to 130 kilometers an hour, which is the maximum speed in the Netherlands. And because it is fairly windy on the motorway, it does catch a bit of wind, so I have been bobbing around a bit. But not as bad as I expected. And as I already mentioned, it feels very light. The visor is still the same, and so is the mechanism. So none of that's changed. On the ventilation matter, that has changed a little bit, but not much. We can open the chin over here. I found that instantly, even though I've only been using the helmet for around maybe an hour. So like that. And the one on the top is much easier to use than with the Shoei Neotech 2. And you definitely feel it straight away. In fact, I feel it so much, I'm going to close it again. Now, with great ventilation comes great noise. The more ventilation opening you have, the more noise you will have, which of course is very annoying, but one does not really go without the other. But as now it is only 10 degrees Celsius and I'm riding at around 80 kilometers an hour, with this weather it's best to keep the ventilation closed. The helmet itself is staying fairly stable and it's comfortable to look around with. no issues there at all. I could definitely see myself wearing this helmet outside of work. Now the new Shoei GT-AIR II is prepared for the SRL2 system by Sena, which is pretty much identical to the SRL1 system by Sena, which fits in the Neotech 2. But the only difference is that the shape and size of the systems is a little bit different, so that's why they made a new one. Of course, this communication system integrates perfectly into the helmet, so you won't have any wires hanging around, you won't have any big modules on the side of the helmet, which is also pleasant. So overall the helmet feels, of course, very sturdy, as it is the Shoei quality you would expect. Not that much has changed in the way the helmet feels, works or fits, to be honest, but the design has changed and it does feel more stable than the original GT-AIR. The helmet comes with a 5-year warranty. You don't need to register it or anything for that. It comes free with the package, although Shoei helmets aren't exactly free. And just like with any other Shoei helmet, the GT-AIR II is eligible for Shoei personal fitting service, which means that the helmet can actually be tailored to your needs. Although if you want that doing, you will come and have to see us in Amsterdam for us to help you out with that. I'm pretty sure that if you'd wear this helmet with a good collar or a good scarf, I think it would let in a lot less wind from the bottom. Because I think it's just that little bit left between my skin and the actual helmet padding, the actual cushions. So I think a scarf or a collar would do the job. But I purposely chose not to wear one, as it gives me a good indication of how tightly the helmet will clamp around my neck. And I'd say right now it's average. It's not bad, it's not great. And in case you're wondering which jacket I'm wearing on this sunny day, it's the new Revit Prometheus jacket, the leather jacket, with C-Smart protection on the elbows and the shoulders, and a CE level 2 back protector in the back of the jacket. And it's not a new jacket that I'm testing, it's actually my new jacket, and I can tell you it really does fit well. I'm wearing a 48 because I'm not that big, but it fits very nice and it's surprisingly supple for a new leather jacket. I'm nearly back at our headquarters, so for everyone watching this at home or at work or in the train or wherever you are, thanks for watching. Hopefully you've learned something about the new GT-AIR II. Check it out on our website fortamoto.com, where of course you will find all the models, all the prices, the availability, and of course our excellent service and worldwide shipping. And we hope to see you again next time. Give us a like and a subscribe on YouTube and a thumbs up, of course, and we'll see you again. See you later.